Hello everyone. Now let us do a lab view experiment where we have to build a virtual instrument to simulate heating and cooling system which can be controlled manually as well as automatically. To start, let us go to the front panel and let us create buttons for this. To control it manually, we have to create buttons. So in the Boolean palette, we will select push button. We will select 3 push buttons, one for manual, one for AC and one for heater. Then we will create 3 indicators, that is to show that is they are either it is manually controlled or whether how that, and one more is for the heater, AC and heater. Now let us name this as manual. Let this be AC. And let this be heater. And let this be this is manual indicator, this is AC indicator, and this is heater indicator. We will align this. Then we will, since this has to be controlled automatically as well, so we will require a thermometer which we can find in the numeric palette. Here we have the thermometer functional block. We have this thermometer functional block. Now we will go to the block diagram block, and here it has to work in 2 cases, either the manual or automatic. Since we require it has to work in 2 cases, we will select a case structure, and this is a Boolean case structure where it works either on a false case or true case. So first let us initially design the manual. Manual is, that is when it is true, that is here we have the condition. When we select manual, when we turn on the manual button, the manual indicator should be turned on. So first let us connect it here, and we will go to the Boolean and we will select true constant, that is when this button is turned on, this indicator has to be turned on. Next, so with the manual button on, whenever AC button is turned on, AC indicator should be turned on, and if we turn on heater button, the heater indicator should be turned on. Now when it is false, when we have false, that is now it has to be this is the now we have to automatically control. For that we will put this thermometer inside this case, and we will have the false constant here, that is when the case is false, and this thermometer you have to change it to control. Since we have to control based on the thermometer temperature, we have to control this AC and heater. We will go to comparison and we will select this palette and select the greater than equal to block, and next we will select equal to, less than and equal to block, though that is here create a constant, that is suppose it is greater than 30 the temperature, then AC should be turned on, indicator should be turned on. When the temperature is now say less than, we'll right click and create constant, less than 10, then the heater button should be turned on. So now we have this is for the true, and this will be for the false. That is, this is for the true is for manual operation, false is for the automatic, that is with the thermometer temperature either the AC or the heater will be turned on. Now let us go to the front panel and we will run this. See, meanwhile you can save this file, you can select a folder and you can save this file. Okay, I'll first save this. You can go to save as. In the desktop we have created a lab view. You can give experiment, that is AC and heater. I'll give AC and heater experiment. So now here when you run this, when manual is on, the manual indicator is on. Meanwhile AC, when I turn on AC button, the AC indicator is on, and when heater button is on, heater indicator is turned on. When you off AC, this is switched off, and when you turn off the heater button, this indicator turns off. Now with the manual button off, you see the manual indicator is also off. Meanwhile I will turn on the AC button on or off, it doesn't affect the AC indicator, nor will the heater. Now if I that is used switch on and off this button, it is not going to reflect here at the indicator. Only when you change the temperature, see here, if the temperature goes less than 10, the value appears here, that is, as it goes less than 10, immediately anything less than 10, the heater button is turned on, and anything greater than 30, the AC button is turned on. Indicator, that is basically I'm talking here, indicator is turned on. This is the automatic control. If we switch on this, if we turn on this, the manual indicator is on, and manually we can set AC and heater. If we turn this off, depending on the temperature, variation in the temperature, this heater and AC buttons are turned on and off. Thank you.